smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
One of the first things is checking the tyres. Now I've had a puncture every single outing with my inner tube tyres, and my wife's tubeless tyres have had no punctures. It's gonna be a hot day today.
You get flies inside your glasses.
Yeah. Not sure anybody comes this way. It should be over here somewhere. I'm hoping I'll spot it. So it should be. Oh, there it is. Just there. And the way back, going straight up, straight back, down that scar, around those buildings, around that field, and we're back to where we started. Back on the Roman Road. We're going straight on?
Yeah.
Hey. After a chat with the farmer's wife and then being accosted by the farmer, we were allowed up, and here it is. Oh. Well, that's two done. This one was a little bit more interesting. I saw the farmer's wife. She said fine. The farmer was coming the other way in one of his vehicles. He asked what we were doing, so I told him and said we were just coming straight back, so he was okay for us to go up on his land. But they are a beautiful one. So that's the second one, top of a hill outside Royston, with a huge solar panel farm. What an amazing building. Quite a long drag up that hill, but thankfully here's a trig point that doesn't need much searching for. Right there. And there it is, right by the road, an easy one. We're left at the bottom. Okay. So we come through around this wood field, no obvious way getting across, and it's right there. Found a sort of path, maybe there'll be animals, that'll get me most of the way across the field. This is the fourth one for the day. Get a beautiful view. I've walked across that field. And there it is, South Cambridgeshire. Retracing my steps through deer tracks, it looks like. Should have slowed down. We've come up the back of Duxford Airfield with all its planes and huge hangars. We go over the M11.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.